If you're hungry for success and a hustler, you came to the right channel. And in this channel, I give you the information you need to make the best possible choices when trading in the stock market. Okay, now we're gonna talk about one of my favorites, which is Palantir. It's also one of my biggest positions right now in my portfolio, and my average is beautiful. So I don't have a bad average on Palantir. So let's talk about that one. All right. Yeah, we haven't covered Palantir on this channel in a few days now, so I think it's just about time. So here it is, right? 2 days ago, we saw a strong buy of $6.4 million for the June 18 $26 strike calls for Palantir. So if this strong whale has a strong conviction that Palantir will go back to $26 at least, or go past 26, I believe in this play as well, you know? These people are playing with huge money. Cathie Wood also bought some Palantir. If you don't know her, she rose to fame in 2020 with her bets on Tesla. Although she's not doing too hot right now, her ARK Innovations ETF has been doing amazing and has been making a lot of money for a lot of people. You know, that's just one of the big names that is backing Palantir, so that also gives me a lot of confidence. The reason why Palantir dropped, if you didn't know, is because the lockup period ended in February 18. Now, if you don't know what a lockup period is, basically initial investors invest in the company when it first hits the market, you know, in their IPO day, and they are given some sort of offers for so many shares at a certain price, let's say at $7. I think that was the initial offering for Palantir. They got like millions of shares for $7, but they can't sell their shares. So even if Palantir went to $200, they can't sell their shares until a certain date. That date was February. So now we have about 80% of the shares of Palantir out there in the free market. So that's why you saw a drop, because the more shares you have, the less demand, because, you know, obviously you have more of something, it's easy for people to get. So when you have less of something, people are dying to get it, so the price goes up. So since we got a bunch of those shares come into the market, the price of Palantir dropped. And I added Palantir actually on the 16th of February. I did not know about this lockup period. I didn't think about it. I didn't do my research on that. And here we are right now. We're down to 24 or something. So, you know, that's what happens when you don't do your due diligence. And that's why it's really good to be informed. Looking back here at the chart, we have strong resistance on Palantir around $22, $22.50. As you know, Palantir dropped to 20. You know, this was yesterday. So like many other stocks, like CCIB dropped to 20 as well. So this happened, but Palantir has strong resistance around 22 and 23. So that's where I would be adding Palantir. And as you can see, it's been dancing closely to the 50 moving average line. So if you want to buy Palantir, definitely buy it when it's below the moving average line, the 50 SMA, around 22 and 23. Hopefully, same deal with CCIB. If we drop below 20, it's gonna be trouble, but hopefully we don't. You know, and Palantir, like I said, has strong potential to go back up this year, and a lot of huge investors have faith in this company. Obviously, they're not gonna tell you to buy it because they want to be early investors when the price is low. But trust me, this company, the price of this stock will go up this year if you're a long-term investor like me. So Palantir has strong resistance around 22.5 to 23, around that area. And, you know, as you can see, it stays within 24. It goes back down to 23, like I said, or 22.5, and it shoots right back up to 24. That's where investors see the price as being the correct price for this stock at this moment. You know, obviously that changes with time, but 22, it's when it bounces right back up to 24. So that's where I would be adding more Palantir. Right now, I have 100 shares of Palantir. I'm doing good right now. I'm going to start selling cover calls, future video comment on what that means, and making extra money on the stocks I already have on Palantir. Yeah, so my play on Palantir is not going to be a super long hold like it is for CCIB, Lucid Motors. I plan on holding Palantir until it goes right back up. Hopefully it's a midterm swing, you know, and I don't have to hold for too many months. CCIB, I'm okay with holding this whole year and see what happens with CCIB. Eventually what I want to happen is see CCIB all the way up to 100 and then think, oh, my average is down below in the 30s, so I'm not even worried about it. So that's what I want to happen with CCIB. I want to be one of those stocks that you just don't sell, but I don't know if that's really gonna happen. So, but that's it for Palantir. Definitely, like I said, 22, 23, almost the same story as CCIB. They're kind of reacting the same way, which is kind of weird. But like I said, it's dancing around the 50 SMA, and Palantir is looking a little better than CCIB, to be honest with you. So if you want to enter, like I said, 22, 23 is a good entry point. If you see it bounce right down here, then I'm not sure if that's ever going to happen again. It could probably happen next week, but I think next week is looking really good. We're going to start trading sideways, I believe, and then start going back up again. Or maybe we're going to stay sideways for some time. I don't know. But Palantir has strong resistance around 22. That's all I can say for right now. So definitely looking to, to get into Palantir around here. So definitely follow the channel if you're interested in plays like this. I'm definitely going to make a video on Monday just to talk about the week and how we can trade that week. So have a good day, and thanks for watching this video.